Today we're going to be drawing lowercase
Lowercase L.
From
Alphabet.
Lore. Did we do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did it. We got it all out there. So we're doing lowercase L from Alphabet Lore today, and it should be a blast.
Yeah.
You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. All right, here is your paper. Here's your Sharpie. Here's my Sharpie. We're gonna draw L from Alphabet Lore,
Yeah.
lowercase style. Okay, you ready? So the first thing we gotta do is we gotta draw the eyeballs because the eyeballs are in front. Okay, this is a square with rounded corners. So the square is gonna go a little higher than middle of the page. Right in this region, square with rounded corners. Okay, my man? Pretty big one, okay? Cool. The second eyeball is gonna be tucked in behind. So it's gonna come out from here. It's gonna go up a little ways. It's gonna curve around. We'll try to be the same size and come on down into here like that. At Craft Kids TV, do we have to be perfect?
No.
No, we don't go for perfection. We go for
Fun.
fun. That's right. That came out really good. Now we're gonna have some fun putting these eyelids in. The eyelids are diagonal. Now watch how this goes, okay? This first eyelid is gonna come across and go diagonally like this, because sometimes the lowercase L gets a little upset. Good one. And then the second one's gonna tuck in behind here, and it's gonna go on an angle just like that. Cool, now we're ready for the pupils. So the pupils are gonna mimic the shape of the outside of this eyeball, and they're pretty big, so they're gonna take up most of the eyeball. But you wanna leave a little bit of white space, okay, Evan?
Yeah.
Good job. And then let's not fill it in quite yet. Let's do the other one so we can fill them in both at the same time, okay? Good job. Do you want to bring this one over just a tad more and scoop it up right there? Good. Now we fill in. Okay, now we can fix everything up a little bit later. What we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the body of the eye. So we're gonna come out of here, we're gonna curve around, we're gonna come down almost to the bottom, we're gonna curve it back up, but don't connect it here because we're gonna make a little mouth right there. Okay, so just follow Dad's lead. Okay, first step. Out of the top of this eyeball, we're gonna go up all the way up here. Okay, and then we're gonna curve it around. He's going to be pretty wide. And then we're going to come down right about here. And I'll have you do that. And you can stop next to the eyeball. Okay? Good. Curve it around. Take your time. Oh, and now start to go down. Good. Don't run into your hand. Stop next to the eyeball. Okay? Or you can stop right there. That's fine. Okay? Good. Now, we're going to continue to go straight down. Right down, all the way down, almost to the bottom, and then we're gonna curve it over, and we're gonna try to match the thickness of the top. Good. A little further. Yes. Oh, that's really good. Okay, now, I think what will help us if we imagine there's a line coming through the eye and out the bottom. It comes down just below that eye and stops. It's gonna be like his upper lip. Yeah, right there is good. That's really good. Next, this piece is gonna come up, but it's gonna slowly go out. So he has a little bit of an underbite, and it's gonna end up, I'm gonna put a little dot. It's gonna end up right there, and yours is gonna end up right there. So connect this line, have it slowly go out, and connect there, okay? Take your time with it. And I missed my line by a little bit, but that's okay. I'm gonna go with it, okay? Now, we take and we make a little curved line from there to there, like it's his jaw. Yeah, good. And you can, that's perfect. That's perfect, Odie. Good job. And you can just connect. Yeah, good job. Way to go. Now, we're not quite done yet. All right, so these guys are awesome. Now it's time to thicken in color. Are we doing a magic trick or are we just gonna color on camera?
Color on camera.
Okay. One, two, three. This was so much fun, wasn't it, Odin? We had a great time drawing a lowercase L, and we had a blast doing that, didn't we, Odin?
Yep.
Yeah, he's just trying it on for size. One thing that I did want to mention is that we are clearly running out of some of our markers. We've been using them now for just about 2 years. This green is running out, like a lot of our colors are, so we definitely need to order some new markers. We are in major need of new markers, Odin.
Yeah.
So the coloring's not as good as it could be, but it still came out pretty good. So hopefully you drew along. Maybe check out some more of our videos on Craft Kids TV. Until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome. Bye.